Now, we all are careful about our hygiene, especially a lot of intimate hygiene products are rapidly gaining popularity among women. Now, these intimate washes and sprays are extensively sold in the market with promises that they can help with reducing odor, dryness, and cleaning the vagina or vulva. But how safe these products are? Now, let us tell you what the researchers have to say about these intimate hygiene products. According to research, women using feminine washes or gels were almost 3.5 times more likely to have a bacterial infection and more likely to report a urinary tract infection, that is the UTI. Now, the main question arises, does your vagina needs cleaning? The vagina contains a lot of good bacteria that help in maintaining the ideal pH balance, which is slightly acidic. Now, acidic pH makes it hard for bad bacteria to thrive and cause infections. However, using different products to wash your vagina can interfere with its ability to self-clean. So if you want a clean and healthy vagina, just wash it with plain simple water and leave it like that. And for more health-related videos, do log into our website, which is known as TheHealthSite.com.